Hey guys, I'm back after a break of 2 weeks. I'm sure that you missed me because I missed you. Today's video is about 3 new characters. Let's start after my new intro. So, I just got a commission from David Shane. He wanted me to make an epic drawing of his 3 characters, and this is how they look like. What you may think is that these characters are nothing special, because the drawing ability of David is honestly not that good. But he has good imagination, and I will show you now how to create something special with these characters. Let's go! The sketching is done, and what we have here is the characters of David in action. Every single one is charging his energy and is about to attack. By the way, the pencil I'm using here is from Faber-Castell. You can find the specific link of the pencil in my info box down below. I have provided some direct links to the products which I use regularly. Make sure to check that out. So guys, I'm done with the drawing, and let me tell you, that was a lot of work. This took me exactly 7 hours and 50 minutes to complete. David is very happy with the result, and I am too. What do you think of this drawing, guys? Let me know that in the comment section below. As for the drawing, I use Copic chalk markers, as you can see. For some areas I use metallic permanent markers. They have a great shiny effect and I like to use them for the energy. I also use some water-based brush pens from my taser for the background. Of course, you can find all the materials I'm using in my info box. I have provided some Amazon links for you, so you know exactly what I use and how to get them. So check that out. And if you also want to get a drawing done by me, contact me via email or message me on social media. All links also down below in the info box. Last but not least, give this video a big thumb up, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe to my channel if you are new. That would be a big support, and that way you will help me to produce more videos. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, which is this Saturday. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.